Good day everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing great. And in today's video, we're going to be taking advantage of the upcoming Valentine's Day and be making a love heart necklace, perfect for a gift for someone special maybe. And I'm also going to have 2 of these necklaces available on my Etsy store for shipping within Australia only, unfortunately. So go check that out if you're interested, link in description there. And once you've smashed the like button and make sure you subscribe, we'll get into the video. Thanks for coming.
There's something in the air.
So there we have it, a great little Valentine's gift or something like that. Quite quick and easy to make for you blacksmiths out there. Thought it was good on the hammer control and that type of stuff like that. And for those of you who are following me on my Instagram, you may have seen recently that I rebooted my Etsy store. And I currently have 2 of these necklaces listed on that store, along with other things such as infinity pendants, horseshoe nail hooks, key racks, that type of stuff. I plan to hopefully buffer that shop out a bit in the next few months. Unfortunately, I'm only selling to Australia at the moment, so get on that if you're interested. I'd appreciate that. And with that said, please remember to like, comment and subscribe. Have a great day, and so I'll see you next time.